Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here, and today we are going to unbox this tiny power bank from Samsung. It's 2100 milliamps. I previously had those massive and heavy two power banks. This one is 20,000 and 10,000 milliamps. But I decided why not picking this one up and having it on my cross bag or my jeans pocket, because it would be really crucial if your phone is running out of battery and you wanna make an urgent phone call or something, post a tweet or whatever, and your phone is running out of juice and you don't want to forget your tweet or your post, you don't want to delay it. Maybe you want to charge your modem like this one I have here, and we are just a bags of gadgets nowadays. We are working with smartwatches and hands-free Bluetooth ones and so on, so it's really nice to have this power bank with you anywhere. So let's get into it. Well, it is a little bit thick, but still very elegant design, as you all can see. Fingerprint magnet as expected. Here is a status indicator and power button. You can recharge it from here and charge your gadgets from this USB port. They are including even a short nice cable with it, USB micro for sure. So that was it my friends, this is my new power bank, 2100 milliamps from Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and this tiny power bank, and for sure subscribe for more, that would be so much helpful. Until then I will see you in the next one. Peace.